Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to customize sidebar on our phone Moto G04. First of all, go to settings of our phone here, then go to gestures and here select sidebar and turn on this button use sidebar. Now, if you swipe near the power buttons, right side of our phones here, you will see some shortcuts. This is sidebar shortcut. If you would like to customize this sidebar, yes, click on this settings button and here you can select the options. By default it is set to calculator and other things. If you would like to add more, just click and check the tick box. Okay, so here I also use Chrome. Disable to add more apps. Click on settings, customize the sidebar, and only maximum allowable number of apps are reached. Okay, see here, up to 6 you can add. Okay, suppose if you would like to add a camera, you go to remove some of the items from here. You go to make a space here. Okay, I have deleted one and click on camera here and it can be added. More than 6 cannot be added. Okay, if I select another one, unable to add. Okay, so 6 maximum reach. So in this way you can easily customize this sidebar. Whatever you want, what apps you want, just you can fix here. Okay, if you don't want this all 6, and you can remove all 6 and then you can add your own 6. Okay, I have removed all 6 apps and now you select your own. Okay, see here, I have selected this. Okay, now if you swipe from the right side here, this selected item will be showing. Okay, so in this way you can easily you can easily customize as per your wish for the sidebar. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.